Hey YouTube, welcome back to JNTech. You may have noticed that my username is now different. That's because I made a new channel dedicated for tech-related videos only. Today, I have this RAVPower magnetic wireless charger and I will be unboxing it. It is a MagSafe alternative that comes with a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. I got it off of Amazon for $30 and I think it's a great value since it comes with a power adapter. It's a pretty simple box, no specs, no nothing besides this 15-watt branding and then the model number on the back. Let's open it right now. There we go. Oh, I got a $30 Amazon gift card. So here's the manual. I'll put this aside. Here's this thank you card. You can register your warranty with this. It's pretty cool. So let's get to the actual charger itself. Actually, let's get to the power brick first. So here it is. Comes with a 20-watt USB-C PD wall charger, like I said. Let's peel this plastic off. Are you ready? Let's peel it from here. Alright, here it is. Now, let's put this all aside. Now, let's get to the charger itself. So it's made out of aluminum. Feels really nice, really well built. And yeah, let's take this off. Yeah, feels pretty nice in the hands. Show you the back. 15-watt wireless charger. You can see this is very thin. It's made of aluminum. This material on top, it's not, I don't think it is rubber. It's super soft. It won't scratch your phone. And yeah, it's super thin. So I'm going to switch to my iPad to test out the MagSafe. So the quality is going to drop a bit because it's an iPad from 2017. Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, so I'm on my iPad now. And then here's this magnetic charger on my iPhone 12 Pro with a non-MagSafe case. It doesn't stick that well, and that's too big. So here's my iPhone 12 Pro without the case. Let's see if it sticks. Oh yeah, so it sticks. Oh, that was scary. So it sticks, but it can't hold my phone. See, it just falls. Okay, let's see if it has the charging animation. I'm gonna put this on. Doesn't. So yeah, this unfortunately doesn't have the MagSafe animation. So I'm gonna switch back to the iPhone camera. So yeah, this is what comes in the box, as well as this 20-watt USB-C power adapter. You can see 20-watt wall charger. It's pretty nice. It's glossy plastic. I wish it was matte. So yeah, that about wrapped up the video. If you guys want to win the $30 Amazon gift card, please subscribe, like, and comment. I want the $30 gift card. The winner will be chosen once the video gets at least 20 likes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.